ikọ́ àwa tí ikọ́ bá máa ń dà láàmú ìṣọmọdé ìṣàgbàlagbà ni. If you always cough, even if it is ordinary or not ordinary, ikọ́ ń gbà mí wá máa fi ṣèyàn. Ẹ lọ bá mi get ohun tí mo fẹ́ dárúkọ yìí. In everybody, you know sandpaper leaf, ewé ìpín. When you get this leaf, spread it inside. Ẹ sá sínú ilé, ẹ má sá sórùn. You can even blend it. Ẹ lè lọ dáadáa. Like, don't add water or you grind it anyhow. Then spread it inside. Inú ilé ni kẹ́ sá sí. For good 6 or 7 days ni kẹ́ fi sá. So that ó máa lè gbẹ dáadáa. So after you see that it have dried very well, bring it out, then grind it again. Make it powder. Add honey, undiluted honey to it. Be licking it. Anything you can't see. Any type of cough, be licking it. You will see different within 3 days. You see this leaf is very powerful for cough. If you have stomach ulcer, please share this video. If you have stomach ulcer, this is how to use it. You see the leaf, just squeeze it, or you blend anyhow. If you want to blend, you add just little water to it. Add just little water to it and blend it. Then you sieve out the water and drink. If you don't have blender, you can do what? Use your hand to squeeze very well. For if you go dáadáa, if you go. Ẹ ṣe wá sí ìfẹ́ jáde ẹ kó tinú ẹ̀yẹn ẹ kó dànù tó bá ní stomach ulcer. Ó máa ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún gidi gan ni o. Even the roots, it's also working fún ẹni tó bá ní low sperm tí àtọ̀ ẹ̀ kò kún tó. So you see this leaf, it have a lot of benefits. So nígbà kan kọ̀ mọ́ pé some people just know it pé ká kọ̀kọ́ ká fi gbo pot, although it's working for pot as well o. Tí pot tẹ́yìn pot tó bá dúdú tẹ́ bá já ewé yìí, just pluck this leaf, then use it as sponge. Ẹ fi ṣe bí kọ̀ọ̀kan, ẹ fi gbogbo ẹ̀yìn pot yín dáadáa. Use this to wash the back of your pot. Ṣé ló máa mọ́ tóní. I remember then. Ó máa mọ́ tóní báyìí. Ṣé ó máa dàbí ẹni pé ẹ fi nǹkan sí. If you have omo or you have bicarbonate, pour it first before you use this leaf. Then use the leaf to do what? To wash the back of the pot. You see that the pot will come out tiny. So please, ẹ bá ń share video, let other benefit from it. I'm begging you for God's sake. Ọwọ́ tẹ́ fi share ẹni fi gbọ́mọ sí pẹ̀lú nǹkan ọlọ́.